I am revealing my most profitable trading strategy. In this video, I'm gonna be using $400 to see how profitable my strategy is. And we are trading gold. We are on the 1 minute in the New York session. So our strategy is made up of support and resistance, market structure, pullback, and areas of confluence. We are in a buy right now. I'm having some buy positions here, and I'm expecting the market to continue to push to the upside. And I'm gonna be giving you the reasons why I took this trade. For example, here I'm having using our market structure. That is the first thing that we are going to identify is the direction where the market is heading in. So previously on the left hand side here, you can see that the market was making a series of lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows. So meaning the market was in a downtrend. Then what happened next? We are going to mark out this previous lower high there that marked the beginning of our uptrend, and then we are going to mark out this lower low here. So from this lower low here, we are seeing that the market is pushing to the upside, giving us our first trend in this uptrend that we are considering. So we are having this first trend here, and it is giving us our breakout, creating our first higher high. Then we are getting pullback, creating a higher low, creating a higher high, and you can clearly see that this higher high is above the previous low, meaning the market is starting to push to the upside. This one alone does not confirm our uptrend, so we are going to wait for the next push, which is our second trend, which is this one. So here we are having a series of two higher highs. We are having this first higher high here and our second higher high there. So that is confirming to us that the market is pushing to the upside, and this is giving us our uptrend. So here we are getting our pullback in form of a minor downtrend, and just saying that it is respecting the previous higher high, and you're seeing that the buyers are retesting it, which is giving us our area of confluence. So we are expecting some buyers to step in from this level here. If you're to look here, we had sellers approaching this zone here. Then using our price action, we're seeing that the bodies are reducing, meaning the sell momentum is reducing. So buyers are starting to step in. Then we're seeing some big momentum candles, buyers. So we took our buy position here where we believe that the buyers took control in. So we stepped in here, took our buys of this level. Then we are going to be putting our stop loss below this area of confluence, because below here we might be getting some sells. So we are putting our stop loss below that zone there. So we are expecting the market to continue push to the upside. As simple as that. We're keeping it simple, sticking to the basics. If you want to learn more over our PYBT strategy, you can visit our website at forexhash.com to get started. Let's see how this goes. So with this setup, we have been able to make around $300. We are going to be taking profits on this level here. That is going to be our take profit. So with around $400, we've been able to make around $250 for the day. That's all for today. Subscribe and follow for more videos like this.